Hi, this is Dr. Frank Barone at Evolve Plastic Surgery Medical Aesthetics. Many of you may be aware of a recent recall by Allergan Medical Corporation of certain breast implants and their tissue expanders that have a textured surface. The reason is there has been an association with a rare form of lymphoma with these types of devices in some women. Very rare, but still reported. And this was a voluntary recall because of their concern. It does not affect smooth surface devices. If we can point out a textured device, this refers to the texturing on the surface of the implant. And texturing has many advantages. It offers the implant to be an anatomical or a more natural shape and more tissue stability. This textured surface is also present on their tissue expanders, which are used in breast reconstruction after mastectomy. Now, Allergan has the more deep or aggressive texturing. There's also texturing by the Mentor Corporation on their implants and expanders, and by Sientra's breast implants and tissue expanders. The recall does not affect these two companies, Mentor or Sientra. This was voluntary by Allergan. And it does not affect the smooth surface breast implants and tissue expanders. It's important to know a couple of facts, and we want to base our information to patients on science and always looking for patient safety. Number one is this is a very rare incident, and it's called anaplastic large cell lymphoma. Very rare. There's only been about 500 some cases reported in the world literature out of over 5 million patients who have implants. Secondly, I've never had a case of this in our practice in nearly 30 years using textured devices. And it does seem that the deeper the texture, the more the association, which is, and Allergan has deeper texture. There's nothing wrong with the implant, and the FDA has said if you're not having any problem and you have this biocell or textured implant from Allergan, there's no need to remove the implant. But if you have swelling or fine fluid or fullness in the breast that's sudden, of course, talk to your surgeon, and the testing can be done quite quickly to determine if there may be a chance of this form of lymphoma, ALCL. We want patients to be sure they contact our office if you think you have these implants, and we can give you information and tell you what your options are. In addition, Allergan has also said that they will replace the textured implants with smooth implants if it's done within 1 year. So that's another option for patients. So please contact us if you have any questions regarding this information, and we'll be happy to examine you and tell you what options you might have.